Are you sick of hearing about some exotic, expensive superfood that's supposed to be the key to perfect health? But you can't find it anywhere and couldn't afford it even if you did. What if I told you the real secret to a rock-solid immune system isn't hiding in some remote jungle, but it's already sitting in your kitchen pantry? Forget the hype. In a world where staying healthy feels more vital than ever, we're getting back to basics. The truth is, you can build an incredible defense system for your body with simple, affordable, and delicious foods you probably already have on hand. So what if you could supercharge your body's defenses for 2025 with 8 powerful foods you actually enjoy eating? I've personally leaned on these staples for years to keep my family and me feeling our best. Today, I'm not just going to give you a list. I'm going to break down why they work and show you how to effortlessly weave them into your life, starting right now. No magic pills, no pricey powders, just real food for real results. Let's jump in. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic for a reason. Citrus fruits. We're talking oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. These guys are famous for one thing above all else: vitamin C. Most of us grab for vitamin C the second we feel a sniffle coming on, and that instinct is spot on. Vitamin C is thought to ramp up the production of white blood cells, which are basically the security guards of your immune system, essential for fighting off infections. Your body doesn't make or store it, so you need that daily dose to keep your defenses strong. But don't worry, you don't need to down a dozen oranges. It's way easier than that. A glass of freshly squeezed orange juice in the morning, a wedge of lemon or lime in your water, or a zesty vinaigrette on your salad. That's all it takes. It's a simple, delicious first step. Now, if you think citrus fruits are the undisputed champions of vitamin C, let me introduce you to a real powerhouse: the red bell pepper. Here's a fun fact. Ounce for ounce, red bell peppers can pack nearly twice as much vitamin C as many oranges. That's a serious amount of immune support in one crunchy, vibrant vegetable. But that's not all. Red bell peppers are also loaded with beta-carotene. Your body converts this into vitamin A, another nutrient that's critical for your immune system. Vitamin A helps keep the linings of your respiratory tract and gut healthy, which are your body's first lines of defense against germs. The best part? They're incredibly versatile. Slice them up raw with some hummus for a snack, toss them in a salad for a sweet crunch, or lightly roast them for a stir-fry. Okay, number 3 is something your mum was definitely right about: dark, leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, and their leafy cousins. These are more than just salad filler, they're nutritional gold mines packed with everything your immune system could ask for. Just like our first 2 foods, they're rich in vitamin C, but they also bring a ton of antioxidants and beta-carotene to the table, which all work together to help your body fend off illness. Spinach in particular also gives you a nice dose of folate, a B vitamin that's key for building new cells and repairing DNA. Pretty important stuff for a healthy immune response. To get the most bang for your buck, try to eat them raw or lightly cooked. A big handful of spinach disappears into a smoothie. You won't even taste it, I promise, but your immune system will definitely feel it. Let's switch gears to something cool and creamy: yogurt. The magic in yogurt comes from its live and active cultures, which you probably know as probiotics. These are the good bacteria that live in your gut. And here's a wild thought: a huge chunk of your immune system, around 70% of it, is right there in your gut. So, keeping your gut happy is one of the single best things you can do for your immunity. These probiotics help create a healthy gut environment, which in turn helps regulate your immune system and strengthen your body's barriers against pathogens. When you're picking a yogurt, go for the plain, unsweetened kind. A lot of the flavored ones are packed with sugar, which can actually work against your immune system. You can always sweeten it yourself with a little honey, or, even better, some fresh berries, which we'll get to in a bit. Finding this useful? If so, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it makes a huge difference for the channel. And if you want more practical health tips like this, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Okay, back to the list. For our 5th immune booster, let's talk about the crunchy, satisfying world of nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds aren't just a great snack, they're packed with nutrients that are crucial for keeping your immune system in top shape. The main hero here is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Since it's a fat-soluble vitamin, it needs fat to be absorbed properly, which makes nuts and seeds the perfect package. Just a small handful of almonds or sunflower seeds provides a major chunk of your daily vitamin E. On top of that, many nuts and seeds are rich in zinc. Zinc is a mineral your immune system absolutely needs to function. It's essential for creating and communicating with your immune cells. Sprinkling some seeds on your yogurt or grabbing a handful of almonds for a snack is an easy win. Next up, a dynamic duo that has been used in medicine for centuries: garlic and ginger. These two do a lot more than just make your food taste incredible. They have some serious anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial powers. Garlic contains compounds that are known to boost the disease-fighting response of certain types of white blood cells when they run into viruses, like the ones that cause the common cold. Ginger is a champ at fighting inflammation. Chronic inflammation can tire out your immune system over time, so anti-inflammatory foods are your best friends. Ginger is amazing for soothing a sore throat and calming inflammatory issues. A little goes a long way. Grate them into soups and stir-fries, or brew a hot cup of ginger tea with lemon. It's a hug in a mug. For the meat eaters out there, poultry like chicken and turkey can be a fantastic tool for your immune system. There's a reason we all crave a bowl of chicken soup when we're sick, and there's real wisdom behind that comfort food. Poultry is packed with vitamin B6, which is vital for many of the chemical reactions that keep your immune system running smoothly. It's also crucial for forming new, healthy red blood cells. And that warm, comforting chicken broth? It's hydrating and full of gelatin and other nutrients that support gut health and, by extension, your immunity. Plus, poultry is another great source of that all-important mineral, zinc. A comforting bowl of soup is always a great choice, but a grilled chicken salad or roasted turkey dinner works just as well. And finally, our eighth food. Let's end on a sweet note with berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These colourful little gems are basically nature's candy, but they are also overflowing with antioxidants. Berries get their brilliant colours from compounds called flavonoids, specifically a type called anthocyanin. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that help protect your body's cells, including your immune cells, from damage. This keeps them healthy and ready for action. And, like so many other foods on this list, they're an incredible source of vitamin C. A single cup of strawberries can give you all you need for a day. They're the perfect way to satisfy a sweet craving while doing something amazing for your body. Toss them in yogurt, blend them in a smoothie, or just enjoy a handful on their own. So that's the list. 8 simple, affordable, and powerful foods to help strengthen your immunity in 2025. As you can see, you don't need to completely gut your kitchen or your wallet to build up your body's natural defenses. The real secret is consistency. Try to mix a few of these foods into your meals every single day. But remember, no single food is a silver bullet. A truly strong immune system is built on a foundation of healthy habits. That means moving your body regularly, finding ways to manage stress, getting good quality sleep, and steering clear of things that can weaken your immunity. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Just focus on making small positive changes. Start by adding 1 or 2 of these to your grocery list this week. Before you know it, you'll have built a delicious and powerful toolkit to help you feel your absolute best. What are your go-to immune-boosting foods or recipes? I genuinely love to read your ideas, so share them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you got something out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell so we can continue this journey together. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.